Hello and welcome. Right in this video, I will show you how to import and export bookmarks on your browser, particularly on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Brave browsers. So I'm on google.com, and as you can see, I currently search for Chrome Web Store extension. So what we want to do is we're going to install a particular extension on the browser, and we'll be using the extension to import or export bookmarks on the browser. So let's go ahead and open the web store. I click on the web store, right, and it takes me straight to the Chrome web store. So right now I want to go ahead and search for the extension I want to use for this purpose. So the name is Links Pally. I type it right here, Links Pally, and you can see this is the extension we're going to be using for this purpose. So as at the time of recording this video, this extension has 11 ratings, and that is 4.6, and we have over 300 users. So I want to go ahead and get the extension for my Microsoft Edge browser. So I click on get extension, then this notification comes up. This is absolutely normal. The information right here is just for the extension to be able to perform the action you want them to perform, and your data is 100% secure. As a matter of fact, if your data is not secure, the extension will not be approved by Google. So now let's go ahead and click on add extension. So right now the extension has been added to my Microsoft Edge browser. So let's go ahead and look at it right here. You can see it is new right here. So I click on pin, right? I have pinned the extension right here. So if I click on the extension icon, you can see this is the interface of the extension. So now I want to use the extension to export my bookmarks, and then I can go ahead and use the extension again to import a bookmark in another computer or in another browser. We're going to be clicking on the history tab. As you can see right here, there's nothing in the history tab, and that is because we have not added anything to the extension. If I go to the Google search right here, then let's look at one of the results. Let's just click on this, then I can save the link straight into the extension I just installed on the browser. So let's go ahead and save this, and then let's click on the extension again and see the history. So right in the history, you can see right here, I have just saved one bookmark from the Google search, and right is available in the history page. So if I click on this particular icon right here, the link will be opened. If I click on this, I'll be able to copy the link, and if I click on this, the QR code will come up, and I can scan that on my phone to visit the page immediately. And the next thing is I have the notification icon right here. I can schedule a reminder to alarm at a particular time that I set. So that is some of the feature for this particular extension. Now you see right here, in order for me to be able to export the bookmarks on the browser, I need to first bring them to this extension, and that is what you're seeing right here, import from browser. Now that I click on it, it is not working because that is a pro feature, but I'm going to show you how you can have access to the pro feature right now. So now let's go to the settings page right here. Let's try the extension for the next 24 hours. So I click on try extension, and then you will see what happened. It is activated for 24 hours. So now let's go ahead and see the history again. You can see everything has been unlocked in the history page. I can pin this link to the top, I can unpin it, I can even delete it. Now let's go ahead and import the bookmark we have on this browser. Let's go ahead and look at it right here. First, we have some bookmark right here. Okay, we have these 3 bookmarks available right here. By the way, I'm using the Microsoft Edge, and it is also known as favorites. So you can see we have 3 favorites right here. So let's go to the extension again. Let's go to the history. Let's click on import from browser, and let's click on OK. So you can see right here, the 3 links have been imported immediately, and that's what you are seeing right here. The first one is Reddit, the second one is Netherland Forum, and the third one is YouTube. Let's go ahead and look at it again for validation. You can see Reddit, Netherland, and YouTube. So even if you have hundreds of bookmarks, you can import them right into this extension with just one click. And as you import them to the extension, every feature will be activated for the bookmark. You can see right here, the QR code has been generated for each of the link, and you can go ahead and use the QR code to scan on your mobile phone. So now if I want to pin any of them, I can go ahead and do that. You can see I have pinned this to the top, and if I want to edit it, I can edit the name, I can even give it a tag, and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and export the bookmark, and then we will import it back to another browser. So let's go ahead and click on export CSV. So you can see right here, history, this and that. Let's save this in the MacBook desktop. I click on save. It has been saved right now. So now I want to go ahead and use another browser, and I will go ahead and import the link I have just exported from the Microsoft Edge browser. So let's go ahead and use the Brave browser. So this is it right here, and I already have the extension installed right here. It is activated. So now what I will do is let's go to the history, and as you can see, we don't have anything in the history. So what I want to do now is I want to import a bookmark I have just downloaded from the Microsoft Edge browser. So let's click on import CSV. Right here we have it right on the desktop. That is the one I just exported from the Microsoft Edge browser. So now I click on open, then it has been imported successfully. So you can see right here the 4 link has now been imported successfully. Remember previously I exported them from the Microsoft Edge browser, and now I have imported them to the Brave browser. And another thing you need to know is that I did not just export them from the Microsoft Edge browser. I bring them from the bookmarks, which is the favorite. I bring them to the history of this extension, then I exported them, and now I just imported them back to the Brave browser. So now if I want to push the bookmarks to the browser, I mean to the default bookmarks, then I can go ahead and use the sync to browser right here. So if I go ahead and look at the bookmarks right here for this browser, which is the Brave browser, as you can see the date 7/1/2026, and these are the link right here. So if I want to go ahead and add the new bookmarks to the browser again, what I will just go ahead and do now is I will click on sync to browser. As you can see right here, export link file history to new folder in your browser bookmarks. Yes, and that has been done. Now let's go ahead and look at the bookmark. You can see right now, this is the one I just synced to the browser. The interesting thing is that it will create a folder for each of the link you are synchronizing with the browser. So even if I go ahead and remove this particular extension right now, the link will remain in the browser because I have synchronized it straight to the browser. So you can see right here, these are the link right here, and if I click on it, it takes me straight to the page. If I go ahead and click on the next one right here, it takes me straight to the website, which is it. If I go ahead and click on another one right here, you see it's gonna take me straight to the website. So as you can see, this is a perfect way for you to import and export your bookmarks on multiple browsers, and the tool we have used so far is Linksparley, and that is just one of the features of this wonderful extension. We have so many other features for this extension. For example, if I click on it right here, you see we can generate one-click download link for Google Drive and Dropbox files, and also we can customize the link. For example, if I paste a Google Drive link right here, I can create a custom title for the link and custom URL for the link. And when I do that, I will be able to copy the link and send it to whoever I want to send it to. And it will no longer be a Google Drive link. It will just be a custom link. For example, your website.com/download. And that will make it very easy for you to share your file without even exposing your file storage, which is Google Drive or Dropbox. So go ahead and install the extension and start using it. As you can see, we have impressive rating as at the time of recording this video, and you see over 300 users currently have the extension on their browser. Go ahead and install it. I will drop the link in the description of this video. If you have any question about it or more features you want to know about in this extension, drop it in the comment and I will explain everything for you so that you can start using the extension to import, export your bookmark, or even create smart link on your browser. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one. Bye for now.